Welcome back to the Quilted Cow, everybody. I'm your host for the day, Stacy, and we are going to be making a Smitty snap towel. But before we get started on that, I'd like to give a quick shout out and thank you to our video sponsors, Husqvarna, Wilmington, and Creative Grids. So we are working on a Smitty snap towel today, and we are going to be using really beautiful Wilmington fabrics. This collection is really vibrant and amazing. This project is pre-kitted. It's got everything that you need in it. It's got your pattern, your waffle weave towel, and your fabrics and snaps, everything that you need to get started. So what we're going to do to begin is we're going to cut everything, which I've kind of already done using my Creative Grids ruler. I've got my towel cut, I've got my squares cut, and I've got my snaps ready to go. So to begin, we're going to start by drawing a line on the wrong side of our material. So you're going to flip your 10-inch squares over. And I like to draw my lines an inch below because you really want to fold it a ½ inch down, and that gives you a really great marker for where you need to press at. So drawing those lines an inch from the top and bottom, and then we're going to press it. And after you've pressed, it's going to look like this, all nice and even. And I've got mine clipped with my Wonder Clips. Don't mind the multiple sizes. I like all of the colors on there. So we've got it pressed and clipped and ready to go. And now we're just going to sew. All right, so I'm just going to stitch a 1/4 inch seam down both open sides of my material. After you've sewn both of your sides, you can remove your Wonder Clips and just set those aside. They're not going to be needed right now. Then you're going to turn your project right side out and press. And then once you've turned it right side out and pressed, you're going to top stitch one edge, which I've already done here. I've got my top stitching done and I've got my piece pressed on both sides. Then you're going to mark your snap placement. So what I like to do when I'm marking my snap placement is I take my ruler and I'm going to lay it so that I've got an 1.5 inches from the bottom edge to the top edge of the ruler, and then an 1.5 inches from this edge inward. So I'm just going to mark both of those places on both sides, which I've already done here. After you've marked all 4 points for your snaps, then you're going to take your waffle weave towel, and I'm going to show you here. You're going to bunch up your waffle weave towel. You want this to finish and fold at about a 9-inch opening. So you're just going to measure it and adjust how your sizes go. And then you're going to stitch across the top, which I've finished here for you. So I have this top stitched ruffled towel piece that's ready to be inserted into my Smitty snap towel top assembly. So I'm going to flip that around so I have my opening here. And after I've gotten this ready to go, I'm just going to insert my towel into this opening. And then I'm going to clip it and stitch it down. And we're just going to stitch right here. You can do an 1/8 of an inch seam or a 1/4 of an inch. I like a 1/4 inch because I just think that it looks fancier. So we're going to go ahead and stitch that, and then I'll show you how to attach your snaps. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and stitch our 1/4 inch seam to hold that towel into place. Remove your snaps as you need to go. Now you've got your towel in place, and we've already marked our snap placement. Those are my cute little blue dots here and here. So in order to place these snaps, I don't go through any extreme lengths. I am just simple, let's get it done kind of girl. So I'm just going to use my seam ripper on these. And you're going to insert right into where you've marked your hole. And you want to be really careful not to rip too big of a hole because you want your finger snaps to stay in place. You don't want them to be too wobbly and loose. You don't need a huge hole to get them through. So I'm going to do that on all 4 of these. So with your finger snaps, and these are so much fun. I know that we have been going crazy over these at the Quilted Cow because they are so easy and versatile. You can use them with everything. So you're going to take the caps. So we've got your smooth side, those are your caps. Then we've got, we call this one the socket, and this one is the stud. I like to place my studs on the bottom of my project. And then I like to place my sockets on the top. And that's so that whenever I'm closing this over, they're going to snap right into place. So in order to do that, you're going to take the smooth side cap, you're going to flip this over the right way, and you're just going to pop it right through there, and then take your stud, and it just clicks right into it. Just like that. It's really, really easy to do. Okay, I'm just going to show you that one more time. So we're going to flip this right side over, and we're going to grab our cap and just pop it right into the hole. And then flip it back over, make sure that it's poking out on the opposite side. And then we're going to grab our socket piece and just snap it right on there. So when you're all done, you're going to end up with a really adorable Smitty snap towel. Well, actually, you're going to get 2 because our kit comes with 2. And make sure you stop by our website, thequiltedcow.com, to pick up yours. Or you can like and subscribe us on Facebook and see us on the Facebook Live every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Thanks for stopping by and joining us again today. My name's Stacy and can't wait to see you again.